Hey guys, hope you're well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up UTM tags within your Facebook Ads Manager. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alexander. I own an e-commerce marketing agency and we help e-commerce businesses to add a 50 to 100k per month revenue with ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, Pinterest and TikTok. Now again, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up UTM tags within your Facebook Ads Manager. But first I want to point out that even if you set up your UTM tags in your Facebook Ads Manager, they won't track 100% of the data, unfortunately, and it is the way it is. If you want to track more data, you need to use third-party tools like Triple, Hyros, or Uribi, but even with those, you won't be able to track 100% of the data. They do definitely help, but I don't feel like they help tracking 100% of the data and the sales. But let's get right into the video. To set up your UTM tags, you need to create a campaign the normal way you do it. So you're going to create a campaign, and when you get to the ad level, you're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to see there's two build a URL parameter. So the first one is here on the website URL and the second one is here. So we're going to use this one here on the bottom. You're going to click build the URL parameter, and here is where you're going to fill out the data. So campaign source, I always like to put Facebook ads. Campaign medium, this is where you're gonna add your ad set name. Campaign name is gonna go with the campaign name, and campaign content is gonna be ad name. You're gonna click apply, and you can see the parameter preview is already done. So when you hit apply, you can see this code here, and what basically is, so when someone sees this ad and they click on the ad and they go to the website and purchase, this tag is going to be attached to the link. And again, it's not going to track 100% of the sales, but it's going to track some of them, which of course helps. The more data we get, the better. So how to actually track this? So you're going to go to your Shopify, or if you're an agency, you're going to go to your client Shopify. You're going to click on orders and then choose any of the orders, and on the bottom right corner there's going to be a small square which is going to say conversion summary. As you can see here, I have taken a screenshot. So you're going to find conversion summary and you're going to click view conversion details. After you click this is going to pop up conversion details, and then you can see converted after a visit from Facebook via UTM. You're going to click view full session, and this is what's going to come up. Visited your store from Facebook. The first page they visited was, I'm just gonna cover this, visited on March 25th 1 p.m. and then you can see UTM parameters, campaign VC 7 to 30. This means that view content 7 to 30 days, source Facebook ads, medium, bottom of funnel, Titan, the name of the agency of course, and then we have the date the campaign was created, and then we have content, all products, catalog, sales. This here is the name of the actual ad where you put it in the ads manager. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Unfortunately, you have to go through all of your orders individually to see if the UTM tags is applied. And as I said in the beginning of the video, it won't track 100% of the data, but it will help you with some missing sales. Again, if you wanna track more data, you need to use third-party tools as Triple, Hyros, or Uribi. We're personally using Triple in our agency, and we have seen good results with it. So currently, the attribution window on Facebook is 7-day click, 1-day view. All these third-party tools, they're gonna track the click attribution, but they won't be able to track the view attribution, unfortunately. So that's the issue with them, that they won't be able to track the view attribution. With the clicks, I think they're okay. Most of the conversions are gonna get tracked, but the issue is that with the view. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. I hope you found this valuable. I know it was a short video, but I just wanted to show you how you can set up the UTM tags. And yeah, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments or reach out to me on social media. If you are a business and you want to scale your business, you want to add another 50 to 100k a month revenue, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to set up a call and see how we can best help you. That's basically, guys. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.